7 places on Earth where gravity does not seem to exist. What if we told you there are places on Earth where cars roll uphill, water flows backward, and people appear to defy gravity? No strings, no tricks. In this video, let's know about 7 places on Earth where gravity does not seem to exist. Number 7. Mystery Spot, Santa Cruz, California, USA. Hidden among the redwoods of Santa Cruz, the Mystery Spot has puzzled visitors since it opened in 1940. From the outside, it looks like a tilted wooden cabin. But once you step inside, all sense of balance and perception breaks down. People appear to shrink or grow as they walk across the floor. A ball placed on a flat plank seems to roll uphill. Even more bizarre is that you can lean forward at a 45-degree angle and not fall over. Some visitors report dizziness or disorientation as their body struggles to reconcile what their eyes are seeing. Number 6. Magnetic Hill, Ladakh, India. High in the Himalayas, along the Leh-Kargil-Baltic National Highway, lies a stretch of road so mysterious that it's become a tourist hotspot. On Magnetic Hill, cars placed in neutral seem to roll uphill against gravity. Tourists test it every day, watching in shock as their vehicles slowly creep forward, uphill. Local legends say it's a path to heaven, blessed by spiritual forces. Scientists, however, explain it as a powerful optical illusion. They say that because the horizon is obscured and the surrounding landscape tilts in a way that confuses your depth perception, making a downhill slope look like it's rising. But illusion or not, it's eerie to feel your car move against what your brain tells you should be impossible. Number 5. Spook Hill, Lake Wales, Florida, USA. If you drive to the base of Spook Hill, put your car in neutral, and take your foot off the brake, it will start rolling backward up the hill. Locals have passed this story down for generations. According to legend, the hill was the site of a fierce battle between a Native American warrior and a monstrous alligator spirit. After the warrior defeated the beast, the spirits remained, warping the land. The city even installed a sign with the story and instructions for visitors to try the illusion themselves. Scientists say the phenomenon is once again an optical illusion, caused by the slope of the road appearing steeper than it actually is. But when you are sitting in a car moving uphill with no engine running, it doesn't feel fake, it feels haunted. Number 4. Mount Aragats, Armenia. Nestled in Armenia's highest peak, Mount Aragats offers one of the most baffling experiences you can have on a road. On a specific stretch near the mountain, vehicles placed in neutral roll uphill. Cyclists struggle to coast downhill, and water poured onto the road appears to flow upward. Some claim the mountain contains anomalous energy zones, while others suggest it's just a very convincing visual distortion caused by the surrounding terrain. Number 3. Hoover Dam, Nevada, USA. Standing at the top of the massive Hoover Dam, you expect to see water fall down in a straight line. But if you try to pour water over the edge or even throw a handful of small objects, they won't drop as you would expect. Instead, they appear to float, drift upward, or even curve back toward you. The reason? The dam's colossal structure causes intense vertical updrafts as hot air rises from the base and wraps around the curved concrete wall. It's not true anti-gravity, but it sure looks like it. For first-time visitors, it's a breathtaking and unsettling reminder that wind, air pressure, and gravity are not always aligned. Number 2. Cosmos Mystery Area, South Dakota, USA. Discovered in the 1950s, this forest near Rapid City is known as one of America's strangest attractions. Once inside the mystery cabin, visitors experience bizarre sensations. They lean at impossible angles without falling. People seem to shrink and grow right in front of you, and water flows sideways along beams. The effect messes with your balance. Some people stumble, others feel dizzy. The official explanation is a tilted structure and visual cues tricking your brain and inner ear, creating a conflict between what you see and what your body feels. But many visitors leave unconvinced, wondering if something in the land itself is warping more than just perspective. Number 1. Reverse Waterfall, Nanagat, India. One of the most surreal natural illusions in India, the Nanagat Reverse Waterfall appears to break the laws of nature. During the monsoon season, fierce upward winds blast against the falling water with such force that the waterfall doesn't fall. It rises. To the eye, it looks like the waterfall is flowing backward, shooting mist and spray back into the sky instead of down the cliff. While the phenomenon is explained by air pressure and wind velocity, the effect is so dramatic that even seasoned hikers and travelers do a double take. It feels like nature hit reverse on the waterfall's programming, and no one gave you the update. So, what do you think it is? Illusion, magnetism, or something we haven't figured out yet?